In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload portfolio on Behance. First, go ahead and log into your Behance account. Make sure you're signed in before trying to create anything, because all of your project tools and publishing options will only appear once you're inside your account dashboard. After you're logged in, look to the top right area of the page, find the option labeled Share Work, hover over it, and then choose Project. This will open the project editor, which is where you'll build and organize your portfolio piece. Inside the project editor, you'll see that Behance gives you several content options to work with. You can upload images, add text, create a photo grid, include video and audio, add embeds, and even use options like Lightroom, Prototype, and 3D. This gives you flexibility depending on the type of portfolio project you want to present. For example, if you're showcasing design work, photography, branding, illustration, or motion content, you can combine different media types in one project to make it more complete and visually engaging. To upload content, click Image. As soon as you do that, your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the image you want to add, select it, and then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. If needed, you can select multiple images at the same time to speed things up. After your files are uploaded, you can continue adding more content through the panel on the right side, which makes it easy to build your project section by section. If you want to rearrange your project content, hover over any content block until you see a pencil icon in the top left corner. Click that icon, then select Reorder Project. A pop-up will appear. In that window, hover over the hamburger icon on the left side of a content item, then click and hold to drag it up or down. This lets you control the order in which viewers experience your work. Once you're happy with the layout, click Save New Order. If you want to adjust the overall look of the project, click Styles in the right panel. A pop-up will open where you can choose a background color and adjust content spacing. This is useful if you want your presentation to feel cleaner, more polished, or better matched to your visual style. When everything looks good, click Continue. A new pop-up will appear where you'll enter your project information. Add your title, which is required, then include tags, choose up to 3 categories, list the tools used, and set your Behance visibility. Scroll down and complete any other relevant information, then click Publish, and that's it. Your Behance portfolio project is now uploaded and ready to share.